Gadget Saga. I am Nishant. This is boAt Airdopes 1-to-1 Thin Wireless Earbuds. I bought it for $12.98 on Amazon Prime Day. Airdopes available in 3 colors: black, cherry blossom, and midnight blue. Let's check the specifications and features before unboxing. Airdopes 1-to-1 equipped with 8mm drivers that delivers immersive sound. Talk time or playback 3.5 hours for charge and additional 10.5 hours with case. Charging time is 2 hours. Airdopes 1-to-1 supports Bluetooth version 5.0. Operational distance is 10 meters. Weight 36.3 grams. Multifunctional controls with mic and voice assistance. Let's unbox and see the content inside. Let's check the package contents. boAt Airdopes 1-to-1, one charging case, one micro USB charging cable, 2 pairs of additional earmuffs, one small and one large, user manual, warranty card and catalog. Let's check with the instructions and guidelines in the user manual. The user manual package content: how to power on the device, connection mode, LED indicators and functionalities, single earbud usage, basic functionalities, voice assistance and smart power off and factory reset, common problems with solutions, specifications and troubleshooting. This is a warranty card and entire boAt products catalog. This is micro USB charging cable, and this is 2 pairs of additional earmuffs. One is small and one is large. This is the charging case, and earbuds are inside the case. It is a very compact size. The build quality is also okay as per the pricing. Take out the earbuds from the charging case. The earbuds will power on automatically. Buds quality is nice and easy to insert in ears. Very compact size. Long press on multifunction button for 5 seconds to power off earbuds manually. Long press the multifunction button on both earbuds for 3 seconds to power on manually. There is a charging instruction for charge the case. Please do not charge the carry case with 9 volts or 12 volts output, otherwise it may cause damage to the case. Charge only according to the charging norms, not more than 5 volts and 2 amps charger. let's check the pairing of Airdopes. Before that, turn on the Bluetooth on the device. Go to Bluetooth settings and search for the device. After finding Airdopes 1 to 1, tap on the Airdopes 1 to 1. Now Airdopes 1 to 1 is paired. After pairing the device, just tap on the Airdopes 1 to 1. Now the device is ready to use for phone audio, media audio and input devices.